So to edit the document, to work on your schedule, first thing you need to do is to sign into Google and make sure that you're signed into your school account. It has to be your kaplanpreschool.org, okay? So I'm going to go here and I'm going to sign into my Kaplan account, okay? Now I am going to go here on the top right and click on these dots, on these little squares here, and I'm going to go to my drive. Okay, and now that this has loaded, I'm going to come to the top left up here. I'm going to click New. Now this menu opens up. I'm going to come down to Google Sheets. I'm going to go to the right, and as I hover over this arrow, this little menu pops up, blank spreadsheet or from a template. I want a template. Okay, and it brings me here. This is a lot of templates, but if you come to the top, you can see that it says General, that's highlighted, and then next to it, it says Hoboken Synagogue. So click on that, and there's your schedule. So you can just open it, and then you can change the name up here. Okay, change it to your class. In my case, I'm gonna make it Susim. Actually, not capital locks. Susim. And now I'm gonna change the name here as well. So I'm just clicking. This is just like a regular document. Okay. All right. And now I'm gonna make my schedule for next week. So I'm gonna click here on the calendar. I'm gonna double click. Okay. So I'm gonna come out again. When I do one click, it just highlights the cell. If I double click, it shows me the calendar, and I can go straight to Monday, April 27. And then if you look at all the dates, they all have the correct number. Okay, so that makes it pretty easy. All right, now everything you see here, sanctuary, art, all that is already linked to the right Zoom meetings or YouTube playlists, so you don't need to touch them. Please don't touch them, okay? Now, if there is a conflict, let's say your meeting is at 10 a.m., okay? And it turns out that this cell is covered with Mishmish Coffee Mangorim. I am not any of these guys, so I'm just gonna click once, okay? And now I'm going to go to Edit. And down here, I'm gonna click on Delete Values. And now I have a clean slate, okay? So now, this is my meeting, right? Morning meeting. And I sort of did everything that's for the whole school in capital letters, and whatever is individual with small letters, not that it matters, but you know, I'm annoying like that. So I have morning meeting, and now I am going to go and open my Zoom. I am going to go to meetings up here. So this is the link for my meeting. So I'm going to show the meeting invitation. I am going to right click here. Okay, I right clicked on my link, and I'm going to hit copy. So I come back to here. Now I don't double click on this. I just highlight the cell, and then I come up here to this menu, okay, to the right. And this is for inserting a link. If you don't see this, it might be because something is showing here, like a chat or some other menu, but you'll have 3 dots here. So just click on those 3 dots, and then you will see this. Okay, so I'm going to insert link. And now you can see on text, it already says morning meeting because that's what's on my cell. And now here, I am just going to paste my link, and I am going to apply. And because my meeting is at the same time every day, I am just going to click again on my cell, and you see how this little square showed up here. If I hover over it, it turns into a plus. And now I can just drag it. Oh, darn it. Okay, this is gonna mess it all up. Okay, let's click undo because that messed it up. Okay, so here we are again. Okay, so when something messes up, click undo up here. That's all. All right, so here I am. I am just gently clicking and dragging. Okay, and now I have morning meeting with my link ready to go every morning. Okay, now if let's say that on Fridays my morning meeting is at 10:30 because at 10 I have sanctuary, then I can just go here and copy, right click, copy, and then here I just click, right click again and paste. Okay, and there it is, morning meeting with my link ready to go. See, and you can hover and you'll see the link. All right, so then you fill in whatever else you have. I guess if you, all right, let's say you are Dubeam and that at 11 a.m. you are posting a YouTube video. Okay, so that YouTube video should go to your playlist. So I'm going to go to YouTube. I'm going to look for this school and I'm going to search for this school, Kaplan Cooperative Preschool. It's down here. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. And here you can see all the playlists, and I am the Dubeam, right? I said, so let me just go down. Here's the Dubeam. I'm going to click on the playlist, on the name, and it brings me here, and this arrow says share. So I click it, and here is my link. I just click copy, and now it's on my, it's in my, whatever. When I come here, now I can write Reina's post. Okay, and now I go to my link up here and I paste my link. That is the link for the playlist. So whatever Reina posts and links to that playlist will show on the top. So there is no need to like change it every day. So now you do the same as before. You just click until this little square shows up, and now you can drag it and you have it every day because it's the same playlist every day. Okay, so all done with that. And that should be enough. If we have nothing here, you can just select this. You select the first one, you go to the last one, hit shift and select, and now all those empty rows are selected, so you can just delete rows. Here we go. Okay. Now, if you come to the bottom, you can see notes on upcoming events. So this has a little explanation. Green links are Zoom meetings, blue links are YouTube playlists, red links are Facebook live streamings. And then these are the upcoming events that we have that are like sort of outside the regular schedule. Now, since I'm making the schedule for next week, for April 27, I would want to have this whole school cooking with Meg linked to the Zoom already. So I should have that Zoom and be able to link it, and I would do it this way. And then I would come to the insert link again, and I would paste my link. Now it's going to select the whole thing. It doesn't matter. We'll just do it like that and apply. So now this whole thing is a link and we can just click on it. Okay. What else? If we are going to have the same password for everyone, like for your morning meeting, for every Zoom meeting that's enrichment or whatever, the Kaplan would be, the password would be here, and you can just change it every week to whatever it is just by double clicking on that and just writing it again. Okay, so I think that is all. Oh no, that's not it. So now that you have it, you have to go here to File. Okay, and, oops, File. Now scroll down to Download. This menu opens, come over to the right, go to PDF document, click it. You're exporting the current sheet. That's it. You don't need anything else. Export. And now it has downloaded to your computer. That depends on your setting. In my computer, it goes to my downloads folder, which is right here. Downloads. Here it is. So weekly schedule PDF. So now I can go to Remini and go to my class. Let's say it's Monday, and I can get a new post, text, and I can say, find this week's schedule attached, and I'm gonna make sure it's a draft so I'm not confusing everyone. And now I come down here to files, I click add, and then it takes me straight to downloads because that's where I've been last. You may need to like find the right folder, and here is my document, Susim weekly schedule PDF. Now it's attached and save. And I am just going to write test again, just in case anyone runs into this and is confused. Okay, I'm going to click save. There it is. Okay, so, oh no, this is it. It takes a little while to show. But anyway, here it is, okay?